This charity independent Scentsy consultant. I'm really excited because I can't wait to share these products with you. So the one that I really want to share first is super exciting, and he's so soft and snuggly. He does come with a scent pack of your choice. His little shirt feels kind of like corduroy. Love the little heart. He's got his tag, of course. And look at his cute little tail. Isn't that gorgeous? Like I said, he is super soft and cuddly. And he's got Scentsy on his foot, which also kind of is ribbed. And then on the back, if you lift his shirt, you can see a tag right there, and it'll open up so you can add one scent pack in there of your choice. So he's super cute. And we've got one more. So this one is really new. If you love cars, then you're going to love this. So, not sure if you can see. I don't know if you know who it is. Lightning McQueen. Isn't he the cutest? Look at his little face. Excuse me. And his little tires in the back. Of course, he's got his tag. And it says Scentsy 95 Rusties. And then if you lift this little flap up, not closer, that holds the little tag that you can open. Let me do it. Open up and put a scent pack in there. His scent pack looks like this. Whoops. Like this. And to me, it smells kind of fruity. That, I don't know if that's the way it is, really, because I'm not going to open it yet. But isn't he just one of the cutest little cars that you've seen? So I'm really excited to share those, and I want to thank you. Have a wonderful day.